Payments, settings, and integrations. That's what we're going to cover. Once you're done with this, I recommend taking proposals and estimates. All you need to do to be able to utilize the payments is to set up your integrations. I'm going to click on integrations. You just need to select a payment processor. It could be NMI, authorized.net, Stripe, or you also have access to PayPal as well. Stripe is the most common, strongly recommended, works really great with the system. Authorized Net, if you're utilizing your banking service, that's a great payment processor as well. The first thing you want to do is connect that payment processor so you can collect those payments. The next thing we want to do is go into settings. Now, I'm going backwards here on a few things because we need to make sure that we have these things into play. Integrations will be under payments, payments and settings will be under settings. This is going to be very important if you want to provide receipts and you want to enable sales receipts for payments. You can title it receipt, give it a prefix, start your receipt number at a certain number, and utilize the default template or select a template of your own. If you turn this on, that means that they will receive a receipt upon any type of payment. When you select taxes, this is where you would add your tax. So if you charge tax for your products or services, this is where you would just give it a name, give it a rate, let's just say 8.25%, give it a description, and you can put in your tax ID number, your EIN number, or any other tax number that you use in order to track your taxes. Once you get your credit card processor integrated, you have your tax settings. Now it's time to add some products.
Oh, we looked like we made it.